กแตนโยงโยผูกโบทัดดอกจำปา
On high heat, in a wok or pan, add oil to pan. Next, add your smashed pepper and garlic. Once it's fragrant, go ahead and add in your meat. Break the meat apart. Chop it like this. See that juice? That's the fat juice coming out. It's rendering all that flavor. I'm gonna give it a little sear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the sauce. Now it goes in your sauce. The measurements in my description, okay? Now add in the minced onions. That's the ingredients. Add in the onions. For the star of the show, some holy basil. Pak Krapow Kai Bao. There you have it. Shut off the heat and we're done.
ผูกโบทัดดอกจำปานุ่มๆกระชุ่มกระชวย
Drink my soda. So you guys been watching me make dinner tonight. I made Pak Krapow. Wow, there's the finished product. I have Pak Krapow Kai Bao, and I added a lot of chili flakes, like the crispy egg. You see the holy basil? I gave it a crisp sear. The sauce just like caramelizes it. So I got the pork, the green bean here. Wow, look at that. Eat the egg. I can't wait to eat the egg. So savory. Wow, this is so good. The hot basil, I can taste it. Ground pork, it's coated with that rice right there. So Krapow is gonna be like salty, savory. Ooh, the hot basil. I mean, it's so spicy with the rice. So freaking good. Have the meat there. The Make Krapow in there. Instead of the sweet basil, it's the real holy basil. Look at that bite. And it has pepper there. The long bean on the rice. This is like a go-to dish. Get that piece of pepper. Let's pop that egg. The eggs are super crispy. You go to Thailand and eat Krapow. Look at that yolk. Trying to create the perfect bite right now. The egg, making perfect bite. Have the egg. Get some more of that long bean, pepper flakes. So freaking good. So good. Look at, I put like so much pepper in there. You see the chili flakes? You guys know I love to eat spicy. Go-to dish. In Thailand, this is their go-to dish. And here in America, we always often get it with sweet basil, but it's supposed to be with the holy basil. Crispy egg. See how it's like crispy here? I fried it. Oh, it's getting spicy. Made it with the holy basil, see? It's the real holy basil. Trying to create a bite in here. Look at that pepper, the egg. Dude, this is comforting, nostalgic. Salty, savory. Ooh, spicy. You guys want to learn how to make this? I have my TikTok, my YouTube channel. I have different versions. I have the version where you can just make it with the regular Thai basil too. Look at that yolk. So good. I'm trying to get pork, the green bean. I'm gonna get a good bite. The egg is everything. So good, guys. Yeah. Oh! Alright guys, if you're enjoying all the recipes, Summer's around the corner. I have so much more recipes for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, want to binge on my content, go to my YouTube channel. Link right there.